In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to underline. Now you can underline entire paragraphs of text, so I could click on this entire text element, come down here to the bottom and scroll over until I see format, and then I'll see underline right here. So I could underline literally everything in a text box. Or you can pick and choose. You can underline individual words or phrases just by selecting the word or phrase. So you can highlight it with your phone. Just kind of depends on the phone that you're on, how the highlighting works. In my case, I kind of have this weird setup where I have a Bluetooth keyboard selected or connected, and so I can just highlight words using my arrows and shift. But on a phone, you would probably pull these handles to highlight anything or double tap or something like that. But anyway, get something highlighted, and you can basically come down here and you'll find underline. So this should show up above your keyboard on your phone, and we could just tap on that to underline that single highlighted phrase or word. It's a pretty quick and easy way to underline individual words, phrases, or the entire text box here on Canva Mobile.